how to use two accounts on WhatsApp in iPhone. If you want to use two accounts on WhatsApp in iPhone, so on WhatsApp, if you open up, now unfortunately if you had an Android phone, when you go to settings and go to account option, you'd find the option to add another account because Android phones has already gotten this update. But unfortunately for the iPhone users, we still don't have the add account feature on WhatsApp. Now I assume that this is mostly because Meta might assume that WhatsApp usually, or iPhone users usually just use one SIM card. That is why they don't have that option. So they might not require the option to add secondary account. But currently we don't have any solution from the WhatsApp app. But if you regardless want to use another SIM card that badly for WhatsApp, you can actually use the WhatsApp business application. So go to your app store and make sure to download the WhatsApp business application, and you can open it up and you can actually instead use the WhatsApp business application. Though it might be a little bit different from the normal WhatsApp app, you can still use it to talk with your friends and so on. So I hope that this video helped you as to how you can use two accounts in WhatsApp in iPhone. We still don't have the add account feature, but we can use WhatsApp business. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.